Good morning, students. Hope you have completed 2D exercise. Till 2D we have completed the topic addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Now we will cover the topic multiplications of rational numbers. If I am taking two rational numbers a upon b, c upon d, we have to multiply these two rational numbers. What you have to do? For the two rational numbers, you will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay? So, relating to this topic, we will cover the exercise 2E, multiply rational numbers. In question number 1, I am taking question number 1, first part, 2 upon 3 by 4 upon 5. How you will multiply it? Where it is written by, you will put the sign of multiplication and 4 upon 5. Multiplication can also be written as find the product. Product भी आपको कह सकते हैं. So multiplication and product is one of the same thing. So wherever the by is written and the question is given multiply, you will put the sign of multiplication. And what you have to do, if there is cutting can be done, you have to do the cutting, otherwise you simply multiply the numbers. So here the cutting is not possible. So what you will do, 2 into 4, numerator with numerator we have to multiply, denominator with denominator. So it will become 8 upon 50 and this is your answer. Similarly, if I am taking the third part, 5 upon 6 by 30. Now 5 upon 6 by की जगह आपने multiply और 30 is not written as rational number, so you can write it 30 upon 1. So we will do the cutting. 6 ones are 6 fives are. In numerator it is left 5 into 5 upon 1 into 1. So it will be 25 upon 1, or you can write it 25 also. And this will be your answer. Now I am taking the fifth part. Here the sign will come minus 16 upon 9 by की जगह मैंने multiply ले लिया 12 upon minus 5. Now what you have to do, if you are doing the cutting, पहले तो आपने ये माइनस माइनस दोनों जगह आपके माइनस के साइन है. अगर न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर में होते और इफ इट इज़ इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इट कैन बी कट. माइनस एंड माइनस आर कट. नाउ डू द कटिंग. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. What is left in numerator? 16 into 4 and in denominator 3 into 5. Now it can't be cut. We will simply multiply it. 16 4s are 64 upon 50 and this is your answer. You can change it into mixed fraction or you can keep it like this also. Both the answer will be correct in the case of rational numbers. Now I am taking the seventh part. It is given minus 3 upon 10 by, we will put the sign of multiply, by minus 40 upon 9. Now in numerator also both minus are given. So minus and minus is plus. तो ये भी आपके एक तरह से cancel हो गए. Now you can cut the zeros. 3 1s are and 3 3s are. What is left? 1 into 4 upon 1 into 3. This is 4 upon 3 and this will be your answer. Like this you have to do question number 1 all the parts. Now if I am taking question number 2, 2, 3 and 4 are same type of questions. See question number 2. Now in case of multiply they have written simplify. You have to simplify it. How you have to simplify? In between it is a sign of multiply, you have to multiply. If it is a sign of plus, you have to add it. So simplify means all the operations, minus, plus, multiply, divide. So we have to do according to the sign given in between. See question number 2. If I am taking the second part, same procedure we have to take in this also, same method. Minus 5 upon 24 multiply by 6 upon 25. Now first you will do the cutting. 5 1s are 5 5s are, 6 1s are 6 4s are. In numerator it is left minus 1 into 1 and in denominator 4 into 5. Multiply it. Minus 1 into 1 -1 क्योंकि प्लस माइनस माइनस. 5 into 4 20 and this will be your answer. I am taking one more part of question number 2, that is fifth part. -28 into -8 upon 7. Again you can make it rational number. 28 upon 1, minus and minus is plus, this is cut. 7 ones are, 7 fours are. In numerator 4 into 8 is left and in denominator 1 into 1. 32 upon 1 which is equals to 32 and this is your answer. Similarly, question number 3 is also like that only, simplify. But here the bracket is given. If I am taking the first part, 5 upon 12 multiply by minus 36. No problem, what you have to do, 5 upon 12 into bracket open हुआ तो आपका आएगा minus 36. Do the cutting, 12 ones are, 12 threes are. तो 5 into minus 3 upon 1, here you can make it rational number 1 into 1. This will be minus 15 upon 1 which is equals to minus 15. This is your answer. If I am taking one more part of this, fifth part, minus 12 upon 5 into my bracket में आपका है minus 15. What you will do? Minus 12 upon 5 into minus 15 upon 1. Minus minus again cut because it is plus. So do the cutting. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. What is left in numerator? 12 into 3. In denominator 1 into 1. So 36 upon 1 which is equals to 36 and this is your answer. Similarly, you will solve question number 1, 2 and 3 yourself because it's simply a cutting. But take care of the sign. Sign आपने rules के according ही solve करने हैं. Now I am taking question number 4 which is a very important question from the point of view of your exams. Question number 4, it is given simplify. I am taking the second part. It is given minus 14 upon 3 multiply minus 12 upon 7. In center it is given plus, then again bracket minus 6 upon 25 into 15 upon 8. Now how you will solve it? Listen carefully. First we have to solve the brackets. आपको पता है BODMAS rule में brackets होते हैं. Multiplication जब आप solve करते हो तो आपने LCM नहीं लेना. Multiplication में LCM नहीं लेते. Multiplication we simply do the cutting. We will solve these two brackets and do the cutting. Minus or minus is cut because it is positive. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So if you open the bracket, what is left in numerator? 8. 8 upon 1. Similarly, solve the second bracket. Now plus in center. See here, 5 threes are, 5 fives are. 2 threes are, 2 fours are. What is left in numerator? Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. 5 into 4, 20 in the denominator. Now here the sign is negative because plus minus is minus. Solve the bracket. 8 upon 1 plus minus minus 9 upon 20. So here how you will solve it? As we have solved the C and D exercise, addition part आपने जैसे किया था, in addition या subtraction, you have to take the LCM for solving the rational number. जब भी आपको subtract या add का sign होगा in between, you have to take the LCM. What is LCM of both of these? 1 and 20 का LCM क्या आएगा? 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. 20 into 8, 160. Minus 20, 1s are 20, so 9 into 1, 9. Now what is left? 160 minus 9, that is 151 upon 20. Cutting can't be possible, so this will be your answer. So again you can listen. जब आपको ये सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए आएगा, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट्स, और अगर ब्रैकेट्स में मल्टीप्लाई है, सिंपली डू द कटिंग विदाउट टेकिंग द एलसीएम. जब कटिंग कर दी, ये आपके दो रैशनल नंबर्स आ गए. इन सेंटर इट वॉज प्लस रखा, बट हेयर इन द ब्रैकेट वॉज माइनस, आपने माइनस लगाया. लाइक दिस, आफ्टर व्हेन इट कम्स माइनस और प्लस, यू विल टेक द एलसीएम. एलसीएम आपने ले लिया एंड सिंपली जैसे आपने पहले किया सॉल्व करना है. क्विकली आई विल टेक वन मोर पार्ट, फोर्थ पार्ट. -14/5 into -10/7 -8/9 into 3/16. Again both the brackets are of multiplication. दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशंस के आपके. सॉल्व इट. माइनस और माइनस कट. 7 1s are 7 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. What is left in numerator? 2 2s are 4 और डिनोमिनेटर में 1. Minus, again solve this bracket. 3 1s are 3 3s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. But minus is here, so we will keep it in the bracket only. Minus 1 into 1 1, 3 into 2 6. Open the bracket now. 4/1 minus minus plus 1/6. So plus का sign है center में. You will take the LCM. LCM will be 6. 6 divided by 1, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 25/6. And this will be answer because cutting can't be possible. So, for today, you will complete question number 1 to 4. Fourth question, please do it properly. समझ के अच्छी तरह करना. Thank you.